Hey everybody, I was on Reddit here the other day, and there was a new beekeeper who was asking if he could, or she, I don't know, if they could reuse moldy frames. And yeah, you can. You do spend a lot of resources. This is what it looks like afterwards. The comb's even lighter. You get some of the dirt off the comb, bring back the yellowish waxy color. You kind of see how that's dark. That whole frame on the other side was pretty dark, and all the mold was gone. Excuse me, I just walked up the hill with a bunch of stuff. Anyway, just gonna shoot this with water, make this side look like the other side, shake out, let the water sit in the cells for a bit, and just shake it out a little while later, maybe during a Super Bowl commercial or something. Anyway, yeah, so definitely wash off your wax frame or your drawn combs and reuse them. There's a lot of resources tied up in these things. Let that sit and shake out the water here in a bit. Have a good one, and go Hawks.